In this video, I'll show you how you can use the price alert feature inside Perplexity Finance, which is one of the most underrated yet powerful tools that helps investors and analysts react quickly to important price movements without manually monitoring markets or charts. To access this feature, open the official Perplexity website or use it inside the Comet browser, just like I am doing now. Then go to the left sidebar and click on Finance, which will take you to the Perplexity Finance dashboard. At the top, you'll see the Price Alert Center. Click on it and select any stock, token, or fund. For example, if I want to create a price alert for Alphabet, Google's parent company, I search for Alphabet, select it, and choose my alert criteria. You can set either a target price or a movement amount. If you choose target price, simply enter the price you want to be alerted at. Alphabet is currently at $276.41, so if I want an alert at $300, I enter $300. When the stock hits that level, I'll receive a notification with an explanation of what caused the movement, along with an AI-generated summary. If you choose movement amount, you can set positive or negative movement triggers, or even both, and specify the percentage change, for example, a ±5% movement. Once your criteria are set, select where you want to receive notifications, in-app, email, or mobile by checking or unchecking the options. Perplexity Finance also generates a default query based on your criteria, such as explaining the factors behind Alphabet's movement to $300 and contextualizing the price action within recent weeks. You can also add optional instructions, like asking it to check news and social media sentiment for additional insights. After setting everything up, click Save and your price alert will be created. If you want to review all your alerts, open a new tab, click on your profile icon, go to Tasks, and select the Alerts section, where you'll see every alert you've created, including previous ones like my earlier $277 alert and the new $300 alert we just set. This feature goes beyond standard alert apps by providing AI-powered insights so you understand not just what moved, but why it moved, including company news or macro events, helping you make better, context-driven decisions with real-time data integrated into a single workflow. That's how you can create and use price alerts inside Perplexity Finance, and this is just one of the powerful features the tool offers. If you want to watch a detailed tutorial on Perplexity Finance, simply click the video appearing on your screen.